Hello guys, there you have Electrolux ESM64840SX dishwasher, and today I will show you all of the indicators in this device. So the first indicator, this one, it's for a salt. It's open when the salt container needs refill. The next one, this small sun, it's a rinse. It's on when the rinse dispenser needs refill. This indicator is a washing phase indicator. This one is rinsing phase indicator. This one is drying phase indicator. This one is for a delay. This one is a glass hair indicator. This one is extra power. And this one is extra hygiene. And that's it. That's all of them. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.